Welcome to Technia TV. Greetings from Dr. Jamuna, Associate Professor of Management, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, New Delhi. We are going to see the objectives of financial management. Objectives of financial management may be multiple. For sake of analysis and better comprehension, the objectives of financial management might be classified into certain categories as depicted in the following chart. Let's see the basic objectives first. There are two basic objectives. Number one, profit maximization. Since time immemorial, the primary objective of financial management has been held to be profit maximization. That is to say that financial management ought to take financial decisions and implement them in a way so as to lead the enterprise along lines of profit maximization. Though there could be little controversy over profit maximization as a basic objective of financial management, yet in the modern times, several authorities on financial management criticize these objectives on several grounds. The second basic objective is wealth maximization. Discarding the profit maximization objective, the real basic objective of financial management nowadays is considered to be wealth maximization. Wealth maximization is also known as value maximization or the net present worth maximization. Since wealth of owners is reflected in the market value of shares, wealth maximization means the maximization of the market price of shares. Accordingly, wealth maximization is measured by the market values of shares. Let's move on to operational objectives. There are four operational objectives. Number one, timely availability of requisite finances. A very important operational objective of financial management is to ensure that requisite funds are made available to all the departments, sections or units of enterprise at the needed time, so that the operational life of the enterprise goes smoothly. Number two, most effective utilization of finances. Throughout the enterprise, the finances must be utilized most effectively. This is yet another important operational objective of the financial management. To ensure the attainment of this objective, the financial management must formulate plans for the most effective utilization of funds among channels of investment which create most wealth for the company. Exercise and enforce financial discipline to prevent wasteful expenditure by any department or branch or section of the enterprise. Safety of investment. The financial management must primarily look into the safety of investment. That is, the channels of investment might bring in less returns, but investment must be safe. Loss of investment in any one line might lead to capital depletion and ultimately tell upon the financial health of the enterprise. Growth of the enterprise. The financial management must plan for the long-term stability and growth of the enterprise. The limited finances of the enterprise must be so utilized that not only short-term benefits are available, but the enterprise grows slow and steady in the long run also. Now, the social objectives. Timely payment of the interest is the first social objective. The financial management must see to it that interest on bonds, debentures or other loans of the company is paid in time. This will not only keep the creditors satisfied with the company, adding to its goodwill, but also prevent any outward consequences of the non-payment of interest in time. Payment of reasonable dividends. An important social objective of financial management is that shareholders, that is, the equity members of the company, must get at least some regular dividends. Then the next thing is timely payment of wages. The financial management must make a provision for a timely payment of wages to workers. This is necessary to keep the labor force satisfied and motivated. Further, if wages are paid on time, the legal consequences of non-payment of wages under the Payment of Wage Act need not frighten the management. Next one is fair settlement with suppliers. The financial management must take it a point to settle accounts with suppliers and fellow businessmen in time, in a fair way. Otherwise, the commercial reputation of the enterprise will get a setback. Then the next thing is timely payment of taxes. An important objective of financial management would be to make timely payment of taxes to the government so as to avoid legal consequences and also fulfill its social obligations towards the state. Next one is maintaining relations with financiers. The financial management must develop and maintain friendly relationship with financiers, that is, the banks, the financial institutions and various segments of the money market and capital market. When good relations are maintained with financiers, they might come to the rescue of the enterprise in situations of financial crisis. Now the last objective is research objectives. The successful attainment of various objectives by the financial management requires it to follow a research approach. It must research into new and better resources of finances and also into new and better channels for the investment of finances. Hope you have understood the objectives of financial management. If you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to Technia TV.